Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about long division method in polynomials. It is same like normal division method, but it will divide polynomial. Normal division method will divide real numbers. Let's take an example. Example, y plus 3, here it will come, y plus 3, y square plus 5y plus 6. Now this is a division. We have to divide this one. Now here we'll take another example also. This is dividing polynomials. Now we will take a 3 divided by 291. Let's do. First, here y plus 3 is there. Now to remove y square, we have to take y here. Because y into y will get y square. To remove this one, to cancel y square, we have to take y. Now here we have to multiply y plus 3 with y. Y plus 3 into y. Y into 3, 3y. 3y. And y into y, y square. 3y and y square. Here plus is there, here also plus is there. Plus into plus, plus only. So here plus into plus, plus only. So here we have to write y square. This one we have to write here. Y square plus 3y. Now here plus is there, so we have to keep here minus. Here also plus is there, so we have to keep here minus. Now y square and y square will be cancelled. Now 3y minus 5y minus 3y. That will become 2y. Here no plus y. Here plus is there, no, so we have to keep here minus. So 3 plus 3y will become minus 3y here. Next, here plus 6. Now here 2 is there, so keep here 2. Here plus is there, so here also plus only. Here 2 is there, so here also 2. Now here divide, again multiply y plus 3 into only 2, not y plus 2. Already we multiply now with y, so only for 2. Here if here 3 9 are 27. 3 9 are 27. Now 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is, 9 minus 7 is 2. Now here 1 will come here, same way 6 will come here. We multiplied 9 1 is 9 3 27, we wrote here. 9 3 are 27. Here also y plus 3 is a y square plus 3y. Now did you understood? Yes. Now here 1 will come here. Here plus 6 is there. So here also plus 6. Here only 1 is there. So here 1. Here 1 is there. Okay. Now here to cancel 25, what we have to write here? 9 sevens are 21. Now here minus 0. Cancelled. Now here also same way we cancelled this one. This one like this, here also cancelled. But here we have to multiply again here. 3 sevens are 21. Here also y plus 3 into 2. We multiplied here only for 7, not for 9 and 7. Here also only for 2. Y plus 3 into 2, that will become 6 here. 3 2s are 6. Here plus into plus, plus only. And y into 2, that will become 2y. Now here write plus 2y. Here plus you have to keep compulsory. 2y plus 6. Now this will cancel. Here minus will become, here also minus only. Now plus 6 will become minus 6. Only down 1, not up 1. Only down 1. Now 6 minus 6 is 0. Remainder is 0. and quotient is y plus 2. Sorry, y plus 2 and remainder is 0. Now again we will take one more example. Here, now this dividend will call as p of x in polynomials. P of x, this dividend, and divisor will be called as g of x, and quotient will be called as q of x, and remainder will be called as r of x, like this. Take another example. Here I wrote only examples. MC questions only I wrote here. I am seeing this one. Keep here. Example is x square plus 2x minus 8 divided by x plus 2. Now what is the remainder and what is the quotient? We will see now. Now here to cancel x square we have to write here x, because x into x, that is x square. So we have to write here x. Now here multiply x plus 2 whole with x. X plus 2 into x. X into 2, 2x. Plus into plus, plus. Now here x into x, x square. Right here x square plus x square plus 2x. Now here x square will cancel, here minus, here also minus. 2x will cancel. Now here minus 8 is left, let minus 8 come down, and this is the remainder. Minus 8 is what? R of x, and this is q of x, and this is g of x, and this is p of x. Here only minus 8 only left. Any polynomial is not there. This is an integer. This is the remainder. Now we can't do this one anything. This is simplified answer. Now like this we have to solve long division method. Let's take another example. Last example. See carefully. Let's see the example. This case, to cancel x square we have to take again x only. Now here x minus 2 into x, that will become 2x, and here minus into plus, that is minus x into x, that is x square. To cancel x square, here x into x, that is x square, so we have to write here x. So here the solution we have to write here x square minus 2x. This 2 will cancel, and here plus minus plus will become here minus. 4x plus 2x, that will become, here we have to not add this one. Here minus into plus, that is minus, so here 2x will come. 4 minus, see, minus 4 plus 2. What is the answer? Minus 2. Sorry, here minus 2. The bigger number has minus, so 4 minus 2, that is 2, and here bigger number has minus, so here minus. Minus 2x. Now this plus 4 will come here, and here minus is there, so here also minus 1. Here 4. Here we have to write 2, because to cancel this one we have to write here 2. X into 2, 2x. So we have to write here 2. Now here x minus 2 into 2, only 2, not x minus 2 whole, total. 2 into 2, 4, minus 4. Here plus is there, plus into minus, minus 4. Now here x into 2, 2x. Here plus 2x plus 2x minus 4. Now here minus, this will cancel, plus into minus, answer is 0. This is R of x. This is Q of x. This is P of x. This is G of x. Let's see this one again. Here is not plus, I did a mistake. Here minus, so here also minus only. Minus into minus, here plus. So here this will become minus, this will become plus, this will become minus. This 2 will cancel. If plus is there, this 2 will not cancel. If minus is there, this 2 will cancel. Here plus, so here minus. Here plus 4 will become minus 4, down. Plus will become minus, down. Remember this one. Plus will become minus. This I did this multiplication wrong, so this one came wrong. Here this is Q of x. Here minus is there. I took here plus. That is the mistake. Here minus 2 is there. I took here plus 2. That's why that is the mistake. And here this is correct only. 4 minus 4, that is 0. This is today's video, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, guys, and please like this video, guys, and share this video to your friends, and please comment, guys.